Exploring the phrase, late plate. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the English phrase, late plate. You might have come across this term, or perhaps you've heard someone use it in conversation. But what does it mean? Let's break it down together. Firstly, when you hear the term, late plate, two words come to mind. Late, which typically means delayed or after the expected time. Plate, a dish from which food is eaten. Now, combining these two words, you might think it refers to a dish that's served later than usual. And you're on the right track. In many contexts, especially in dining halls, colleges, or family gatherings, a late plate refers to a reserved meal. This is for someone who cannot make it to the meal at the regular time. So, for instance, if you're a student and you have an evening class during dinner time, you might request a late plate to ensure you have a meal saved for you for when you're done. Understanding the context is key, but it's also helpful to see how late plate can be used in sentences. 1. I have a meeting during lunch, so I've asked for a late plate. 2. Can you save a late plate for Sarah? She'll be joining us after her practice. 3. The dining hall offers a late plate option for students with evening classes. It's not just late plate that you might come across. Some similar terms or variations include rain check. While it doesn't relate to food, it implies a promise to accept an offer at a later time. I owe you. I owe you. Again, not food-related, but it's a commitment to fulfill an obligation later. It's always essential to consider the context to understand the exact meaning. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, late plate. Now, the next time you hear it or see it, you'll know precisely what it means. English is filled with such interesting phrases, and the journey to understanding them is both exciting and enlightening. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, keep exploring and learning.